Hello everybody. I'm up in Washington State today, and as you can see by the tall trees, but a couple of days ago I was in Glacier National Park over in Montana, and did a little drive through, and I just got some footage off on my dash cam, which it's got the hood of the pickup truck is in there, and the GPS speed and all that kind of junk's in there too. If you can overlook that, the dash cam actually does a pretty good job. So just threw a few short 30-second clips together, made a little movie out of it, added a little bit of music to it, and I'm contending with bees, so not having any weird things going on other than I don't want to be stung by a bee right now. If you want to see what Glacier National Park looks like, just a little teaser, then hang around. That's what's coming up next. Control.